Johnny here from Media, and in this video we are going to show you how you set up goals within your automations in ActiveCampaign. So stay tuned. At Media, we help companies grow and thrive using the latest tools, tricks and online marketing techniques. From websites to automated sales funnels, social media content and much more. We're constantly releasing new material on our YouTube channel, so make sure you like, subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out. Just before we get going, I want to very quickly tell you about our exclusive offer. We are giving away free access to our paid Hub platform for the first 50 people who click on the link in the description. This offer is going on all of our YouTube videos, so hurry and make sure you get your place. Within Hub we have created over 100 training videos in 13 courses, including a course on email automation using ActiveCampaign. You'll also find recorded webinars and a host of other free content, so remember to click on that link in the description. Now let's get on with the video.
Before you start building any automation or any type of system, you need to think about the goals you want to achieve. Is the goal for them to sign up for a sales call, or to make a purchase, or to join a new list? There can be a number of goals, and even in a single automation there can be a number of different goals within it. My advice would be at this stage to sit down and list out the goals. You then want to build your automations and your system around those goals and how you are going to achieve them. Don't just build random systems without thinking about the goals, because you'll end up redesigning them later on. Now I'm going to go through how to set up a goal in ActiveCampaign. This part might be slightly confusing because it will be in an automation within the ActiveCampaign system, and we haven't yet gone through how to build up automations. Within this video, there are some emails that look like they're saved as drafts, but that's just because I've set up this automation to show you as an example. Goals is one of the most powerful features in ActiveCampaign, and one of the reasons ActiveCampaign is an excellent tool for your business. So let's take this automation that I built here. It started off with them downloading the ebook or whatever the lead magnet is, and the aim is for them to book a sales call with us. Now this whole chain sends them through, and if you look in the automation section, this is a chain I built which has things like the blog, has a personal follow-up email, but the entire point of this chain is to get them to book a sales call with us. Now what happens if someone goes through this automation and say at this point they book the sales call in there? There's no point them going to this part of the automation, because this email just sends them a link to a booking confirmation form for us. So really we're saying, okay, if they book a call with us, this automation's done, it's done its job. Now you do that by setting up a goal. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom section here. So the whole goal of this automation is to come down through and to set up a phone meeting via email with us, and they'll get a tag on them saying they booked a phone meeting. Now in this part here, I'm going to push a plus, go into conditions and workflow, I'm going to click goal. Right, and the goal is a phone meeting booked. And the next is the action when the goals conditions are met. So if you click on there, and this is when you say, okay, when has this goal been achieved? So for this one, it is not an action. So if you look on action, it's when they click through to something. What I want them to do is event data. Site and event data is really powerful. So for site and event data, I want it when they have visited, and the exact URL I'm going to put in is our meeting confirmation page. So they only will ever see that page if they've booked a meeting. So if they have ever visited this page, they have booked a meeting with us, and that is our goal complete. Click save. And then don't worry about this trigger conversion bit for the moment. If the contact does not meet the goals, you can either say continue anyway through the automation, wait until the conditions met, or end the automation. I'm going to put on here wait until the conditions are met because I want them to book a call. Now one of the best things about this goal action is wherever they are in this, so say on this part they went yes, then we had to do this, the dotted arrow to say go to another section. However, with a goal, wherever they are in this automation, if they complete this action, so at any point on your website when they complete this action, they're going to jump straight to this goal here, and then go into the phone tag meeting booked and end an automation with them. So as soon as you put a goal in there, when they've achieved that goal, they jump straight to it, they've booked a meeting with you, and they come out of this automation chain.